Now that we have possessives and descriptives under our belt, the rest are going to be easy peasy, simple.
Why?
You'll see. They're really straightforward.
Okay.
They're similar to the English, right? There aren't many differences. So we did possessives, descriptives, and then we did pointers, right? Pointers. Remind me what a pointer is?
When you a fragment where you're pointing at something?
Yeah, fragment where you're pointing at something, and a pointer fragment was made up of a
Pointer word and a noun that came after.
right, a pointer word followed by a noun, right? And so we had our pointer words in English, which were
This, that, these, those.
this, that, these, those. And so in Arabic, the way we recognize a pointer is actually exactly the same, right? So a pointer in Arabic is made up of a pointer word and a noun, right? It's made up of a pointer word and a noun, and you just have to know your pointers.
Okay.
And so you have to have your pointers memorized. There's one extra little condition, and that is that the word following the pointer word, so the noun following the pointer, has to have a L on it.
The word following the pointer has to have L.
It has to have an L. If it doesn't have an L, it's not considered a pointer fragment.
Okay.
Is that clear?
I think so.
Okay, let's look at some examples. Okay, هذا البيت. Or here we have هذا بيت. So we have هذا, which is a pointer,
Uh-huh.
and then بيت, which is a noun. Does this meet the conditions of a pointer fragment?
Yeah, because we have a pointer word, right?
We have a pointer word and we have a noun. But what did we say about the noun following the pointer?
Has to have alif lam.
Right, it has to have an alif lam on it, right? So بيت, does it have an alif lam?
No.
No. So this is
Not a pointer fragment?
not considered a pointer fragment.
Even though we have a pointer word?
Even though you have a pointer word, right? Even though you have a pointer word, it's not considered a pointer fragment.
Okay.
But if we were to look at the next example, هذه الأعمال, what do we have here?
هذه is pointer word,
Uh-huh.
and the noun coming after it has an alif lam on it.
Right, the noun coming after it has a alif lam. So does that meet the conditions of a pointer?
Yes.
Yes. Right, yes. So how are we going to translate it?
هذه is this,
This or
these.
these, and how are we going to choose which to use?
I don't know.
We're going to choose based on what sounds most natural. So what does a'mal mean?
Deeds.
Deeds. So do we say this deeds in English or
These
these
deeds.
deeds? Right, we say these deeds. Right, so we're going to translate it as
These deeds.
right, these deeds. Okay, هؤلاء القوم. هؤلاء القوم. هؤلاء, is that a pointer?
Yes.
Yep, it's one of my pointers. And then القوم,
Is a noun that has al on it.
it's a noun that has an L on it, so
It is a pointer fragment.
right, it meets the conditions of a pointer, so it's a pointer fragment. And how are we going to translate?
هؤلاء means these. These nation.
These nations, does that sound natural?
This nation.
This nation, right, this nation.
But I thought هؤلاء means these.
So just translate the pointer based on what sounds natural, right? So based on what's coming after it.
Okay.
Okay. أولئك المجرمون.
أولئك is a pointer word.
Mhm.
المجرمون is a noun that has al on it.
Mhm.
So it meets the conditions of a pointer fragment.
Good.
أولئك is not these, those.
Those.
Those, the criminals? Those are the criminals?
No. Those. When we point in English, do we say those the something?
No.
We just say those something, right?
So just those criminals.
Those criminals, right?
Well,
those
and
criminals.
so we're not translating the L here?
Yeah, and when you have a pointer, you're never going to translate the L because that's just not what you say in English.
Okay.
Right? You don't say this the nation, those the criminals, right? So you'll never translate the L.
Okay.
ذلك رسول. Is ذلك a pointer?
Yes.
So we have a pointer fragment, right?
Yes.
Yes?
Oh, no. So we have to have two conditions. One, we have to have a pointer word, and the other is that the word after it has to have L on it.
Right, it has to have an L on it. Does Rasul have an L?
No.
No, so is this considered a pointer fragment?
No.
It's not a pointer fragment.
Okay.
Okay, last example here. تلك الآيات.
So tilka is a pointer word, and it's followed by a noun that has L on it.
Okay,
So yes, it fulfills the conditions of a pointer fragment.
okay. And then how are we going to translate it?
Tilka is these,
Not these.
those.
Those, right?
That or those.
That or those, and what are we going to choose here?
Those, because ayat is signs, and so
Yeah.
you don't say that signs, you say those signs.
Right, we will say those signs. So pointer fragment is made up of a
Pointer word
pointer word and
A noun that has alif lam on it.
Right, a noun that has an alif lam on it, and if it meets those two conditions, it's a pointer fragment. How are you going to translate?
This thing. That
Right.
thing.
You translate your pointer and then your noun, and you just translate according to what's natural.
Okay.
And so if you have your pointers memorized, this is a very easy peasy. You should be able to recognize it really easily. Are we clear?
Yes.